welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Riti Kumari and I am back with another video on the OOP series. So here we would be looking on lecture number 7 and here we would be learning more about friend function. So you often have heard this term in C++ friend function. So what does this friend function means? So basically, as the name suggests, friend. So if someone is my friend, I can share anything with them. They can share anything with me. If someone is my friend, they give me some authorities. I give them some authorities. They have some permissions. I have some permissions. So basically, in that way, only C++ friend function acts. So what is the use of friend function? Let's learn in more depth, like why we needed friend function. Just don't look at this particular example now. I'm just giving you an example. So consider I have a class, okay? And then I have a class vehicles, okay? So basically I have a class as vehicles, okay? Now consider in this class car, I am having some data and I am having some functions. Now consider in this class vehicle also, I am having some data 1 and here also I am having some function 1, okay. Now this particular function can use this data. It can use this data. This particular function can use this data. This data. Reason, they are in the same class and they are the member functions, they are the member variables. So member functions can access member variables. Vice versa in this, that member function can access member variables. But what if this particular function wants to access this particular data, or this particular function wants to access this particular data? So this is not allowed. But I want to access some data from class vehicle and vice versa. So now what should I do? If consider function 1 wants to access data and function wants to access data 1. So in this case, friend function comes into the picture. So basically in friend function, whenever we declare any of the method as friend or any of the class as friend, they get an access. So basically whenever one class is a friend of another class, they can access the data. So basically friend function helps us in accessing the data whenever I need, when I declare a friend function here. So basically it can access this data as well, it can access this data as well. So consider like this only, ki if I am here, I am a class A, you are a class B and you are my friend. So basically I am giving you some authorities and some permissions to access my data, and you are also giving me some authorities and some functions to access your data. So basically this was why we needed friend function. Now in the next video we would be looking more on the characteristics of friend function, and we would be understanding from the code point of view like how friend function comes into the picture and how things are taking place. So this was all about this video. I'll be coming with some more videos. Till then, if you're someone who is new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're someone who is liking my content, please hit the like button. And if you're someone who is watching this series or watching this video and have any kind of feedback to me, please comment it down. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.